Today in this video we are going to learn how to create glitter effect in your text just by using Canva. I am going to show you two methods in this video and these two methods are very different from each other, so I hope you will watch this video till the very end and use the method according to your needs. So without any further delay, let's head on to Canva and first of all let's look at the design that I have created. This is the design of the notebook cover that I have created just by using Canva, and as you can see, the text in this notebook has got some very beautiful glitter in its background. So we are going to learn exactly how to do this. So first of all, let's head on to Canva and create a new design of size 12.52 by 9.25 inches. This is the size of the notebook, of trim size 6.6 by 9 inches and of 120 pages. Let's create a new design. So after that, let's add a background color and let's add a line here. So I am adding this line to differentiate between the front and back cover, and let's increase its weight to differentiate the spine. I do it 40 points. So for 120 pages, 40 points is going to be just about the size of the spine of your book cover. So now what we are going to do is add some text to our document. Let's go to Elements tab and let's go to Frames. We are going to go to Frames here and we are going to select all of the text that our notebook cover is going to have. For this tutorial purpose, let's use this for text to create our notebook cover, and let's scale the size accordingly. So make sure to add all of the text and scale it at one time so your process becomes a little bit fast. Otherwise, scaling each of the elements individually is going to consume your time. So scaling it once is going to make it a lot easier. So after that, after we have successfully added our text, we can also add an element here. Let's search for an element and let's add it here. So now after that, what we have to do is get our glitter file. The best place to get our glitter file for free is pixabay.com, and let's search for some glitter files here. So as you can see, various different beautiful glitters are available on Pixabay. Let's select this one. So all we have to do is go to this free download button and download it. We can download it at highest resolution possible. So after our image gets downloaded, come to your Canva and just drag and drop your file and it will automatically upload it to Canva. So after your glitter file gets uploaded, all you have to do is drag your glitter file and place it above the text frame. So as you can see, I have placed it above the text frame and you can see automatically the glitter is added to your text. So friend, let me show you how I created the notebook cover that I showed you in the beginning of the video. What I did was I used this glitter, pink glitter. This glitter has been downloaded from, sorry for that, let's bring it here. The glitter has been downloaded from Creative Fabrica, and I will provide you the link down below in the description tab for Creative Fabrica, where you can download various different graphics item for your book cover design as well as book interior design. So let's copy this. So after copying this, what I did was I cropped this file So as you can see, cropping this file creates this beautiful gap which gives our text a more profound and more realistic and artistic look. So as you can see, cropping and placing our text makes it a lot more beautiful. So we can also give this notebook, give this tree a color similar to our text. As you can see, this beautiful notebook cover is ready. Now you can delete this spine and our notebook cover is ready. All you can do is go to download and download it at print PDF, and you can upload it to KDP. So now I am going to show you a next method. The main limitation about this method is you cannot change your font by using this method. You have to rely on the text frames available on Canva. So the next method that I am going to show you requires you to make your text in a different website and import it to Canva. But the method provides you with a lot of flexibility, and you can select various different fonts in your text and add the glitter at the same time. So let's learn the next method. The website that you require to go is called photopea.com. I will provide you the link down below in the description tab. So after going to photopea.com, click this file tab here and click on new and select 300 dpi because we want our text to be highest resolution possible, and select the transparent background. We don't need any background here, and hit this create button here. So after you create it, let's add some text here. The text is currently not visible because it's at very small size. So let's increase the size and let's align our text. So after we have added this text here, we can go to this text tab and we can select various different fonts that we would like. Various display fonts are available here. Various script fonts are also available. You can select your fonts according to your needs. Also, you can load your font from your computer also. So this is a really good feature that this website has got. So for this tutorial purpose, let's select this font. So now after you have written your text, what you are going to do is go to this file tab and click this open and place tab here. So after you click that, select one of the glitter that you have downloaded from Creative Fabrica or Pixabay. So upload your glitter to this website. Then what you are going to do is drag your glitter file and place it above your text and hit enter. So after you have successfully placed your glitter above your text, what you are going to do is go to this glitter layer here. As you can see this layer, click options tab and click clipping marks. So as you can see, our text has been clipped with this glitter layer in the background. So after successfully creating this glitter, what you are going to do is click this edit, click this image tab here, and you are going to trim this image. So after you hit OK, you are only left with the text and all other background is trimmed. So now what you are going to do is go to this file tab and you are going to export this file as a PNG. Make sure to export it as PNG because you need a transparent background, and hit on this save button and make sure your quality is at 100%. So after you hit on save, next thing what you are going to do is come to your Canva and you are going to drag and drop your file to Canva, which automatically uploads your text to Canva. Now you can click your text, and as you can see, you will end up with a beautiful glitter text in your Canva, which you can use for various different purposes to create your cover file or any other purpose. So friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.